this. Okay, so first, we're going to need a flashlight, okay? So we're gonna make our room dark. We're gonna grab a flashlight. Okay, what color do you see? White. What if I told you that white light contains all of the colors of the rainbow? Did anyone know that? Yeah, of course you did. So many scientists in the audience. Okay, so can you raise your hand if you are 5 years old or under? 5 years old or under? A few of us, amazing. Okay, keep those hands super high because you need a flashlight, you need your room to be super dark, and you also need to ask your adults for a piece of ancient technology in order to make a rainbow at home. So you're gonna need to ask them for a piece of ancient technology, and I have one of them here, fortunately for us. Does anyone with their five-year-old or younger know what this is called? Does anyone know what this is called? Do you know what it's called, my friend? No, do you know what it's called? What is it called? Does anyone want to just shout it up?
Music
CD! A CD! This is a compact disc, and this CD allows us to listen to music, watch movies and TV shows because they have thousands of etchings and scratches on the back that allow us to hear and see all those cool things. But these etchings and scratches also allow us to refract that light, okay? So we can break apart that white light and see that it contains all of the colors of the rainbow. Scientists call refracting like breaking apart. So we can refract some of that light here. What colors do you see? All of them? Tell me, which ones? Amazing. Awesome. Okay. So we learned that we can break apart, we can refract some light. I need people to come up, but raise your hand so I can pick you, so I know. We're gonna make eye contact and I'll tell you. Is anyone wearing red who'd like to come up and help me? Anyone wearing red with hands up? In the back, you have yeah. They're coming up, So I have my red friend. What about, do I have a green? Anyone wearing green who wants to come up and help me? Green. Do you wanna come up? Do you wanna come up? Awesome, my green friend. Here, what is your name?
Sari.
One more time?
Sari.
Sari? Can everyone say hi, Sari? Awesome, and my green friend. What is your name, my friend? Harriet. Can you say hi, Harriet? Can you stand right here, my friend? Awesome. And I need one last friend wearing blue. Do you want to come up? Amazing. Okay. Have my friend here. What is your name? Reagan. Can I say hi, Reagan? And Reagan, can you stand on this blue X there? Amazing. So you're all going to stand on these X's here, and I'm going to turn the lights to match your piece of cloth. So can you please hold up your piece of cloth super high, okay? Ooh, or you can wear it. That's awesome. Amazing. Okay. Audience, let me know what colors you see. Red and green and blue. Amazing. How about if Sari and Harriet move down one? So Harriet, you're going to go to blue. Sari, you're going to go to green. And Reagan, can you come over to the red one? Amazing. Okay. What colors do we see now? Do they look the same? What do they look like? They look darker. They look brown. Because these colors, they are being absorbed and they're appearing darker. Let's do one last switch. Harriet, can you come to the red one over here? And then Reagan and Sari, can you move down one? Amazing. Again, what about now? Do the colors look the same? No. Depending on what light they were stood underneath, the colors were being reflected and absorbed, looking different under the different lights. Round of applause for all my friends at the end. Amazing. Great job, my friend. Great job. Thank you. You can all head back down to your seats. Can I have one last round of applause for them? Ooh, I love your energy. This is rare for a 3 o'clock. Love the energy today. Okay. I also have this super cool picture here. Can anyone see this photo? No. Okay. I need to turn the lights on again. My bad. Where are my lights here? Amazing. Okay. And can you count me down for my favorite number? It's 5. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tell me what you see. Flowers. Mushrooms. Crystals. Amazing. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Can you count me down from 5 again? 4, 3, 2, and 1. What do you see now? A skeleton? A brain? Heart? Some DNA? Okay. Last time. Can you shout out 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1? What about now? What do you see now? A rooster? A butterfly? A fish? Okay. Okay. So, does anyone think that I can draw really, really fast? Yeah?
No.
No? I love that. Okay. I usually get so many yes. Why do you think no? What do you think happened? Who said no? I love it.
No, because it just changed with the color on it.
It changes with the colors on it. Round of applause for that friend. That's exactly right. So I'll show you what this looks like under these bright lights here. So it's a bunch of different images collaged on this board here. And depending on what light we were stood underneath, we saw different things because some colors, they were being reflected and some colors, they're being absorbed and blending into the background here. Yeah, the rainbow would be pretty cool. You already saw a rainbow though. So depending on what light you were stood underneath, we saw different images, depending on whether or not they were being reflected and absorbed. Okay, we've learned that light, it can be reflected and it can be absorbed, but does anyone know any other types of light?